Kate here with WTI, and this is my absolute favorite travel backpack from HOMIEE. Now, honestly, guys, this backpack blew me away, and I'm sure it'll do the same for you when I show all these crazy features. First of all, it's huge, so it's an awesome size if you're going away for a weekend. Perfect. You can load up your clothes and everything you could possibly need. The main compartment opens up just like a suitcase, so you don't have to shove things to the bottom. You can see everything all at once. It has an unbelievable amount of organization. So there's some great pockets on the front. On the back side, there's a secret pocket. You also have a small zippered compartment on the strap if you want to put some cash or ID in there. There's a holder for your water bottle, which is adjustable. The front pocket is waterproof, so if you have cosmetics that might leak, or maybe you have some wet clothes from the beach, you can put those in there and keep them separate from your dry stuff. There is another spot, which is for your laptop, your electronics. It has a Velcro, so it's nice and secure in there, and it keeps everything padded. It also comes with a USB charger, so if you have a cell phone that you want to charge, all you have to do is put a power bank in there, and you can charge it right through your backpack. It is crazy stylish, so this one is in beige. I just love it. The zippers glide like a dream. It has a great heavy-duty handle at the top. The straps are padded. The back is padded. It has the straps to take the pressure off when you're carrying a heavy load. Everything is adjustable. Guys, this is the ultimate travel backpack. I love that you can slip it right on your luggage as well for travel. It makes it really convenient. This can be used as your carry-on on a flight. It will blow you away. I'm telling you, it is my favorite, and that's my point of view.